السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته سيداتنا سادتي. Hello brother. Yeah, this is CapCut. We are going to just have this is the first lesson for CapCut and see. This is a very easy actually application you can work on for editing uh, videos. So from the beginning, when you open the CapCut, will be appearing like this. This is the CapCut like this. The first thing that you'll add your first or create your first project, this from here, to add it or to start your first project from this area. Just click here, plus. So when you plus, just click it, you'll appear like this. This is the area you are going to work in. Here we have very important things you have to know. This is a menu. We'll see what to do with this menu. This media, from this media, the import or import from here. You know that to import, there is so many things to import to put it here to work in this area. To import video, from here you will drag it to this area. This called timeline area. Okay, this is a workspace. You will see it here. Okay, from import here you'll import videos or photos or music or audio from here. Okay, so let's start and see our first project, how to do and when to do on this. So import like this. In the desktop, I have this video. Double click in this to import it there. I import it here in this area. Okay. So this is a video. Actually, this video, it is a train in Wuhan when I have been there in China. I just filming this video from there. So from here, I import it here. Then I will drag it here in this timeline, in this area. I drag this here. Okay, this is my video. If I play it, I will play it from here like this. This is a train. Okay, this is my train. This is my video. This Wuhan city. What should I do here, or what I supposed to do here? Okay, stop this here. Then I want to add some audio or some text. This is a text. Just press here, this text. Okay, this text. When I press here, this is the empty one. This also drop down this so many text effect and this template and this caption, auto caption or local caption that you can import it. So from here, this yours. Okay, this you have favorites or add this text effect, this one. So okay, take the free one, double click here. When you double click this the shape of it, so I can also double click here to appear here in this area. Yeah, then add your text, what you want to write here, just title or something, you write it here. Suppose just I want to write I want to write my name, Tahir, Tahir. I want to put it here, or you can just write your channel name or whatever. Delete this. Okay. Here you can add anything, and from here, just you can drag it, put it in the area that you want to put. Okay. If this is your channel, you can do one thing to be fixed in all the timeline or the time of the videos to be fixed here. Now, if I play this, it will disappear. If I play like this, just if you go little bit here, just observe here. Now disappear. If I don't want it to disappear, I will return back here from here. Then I will drag this one. So when you drag it like this, it will continue till the place that you want to fix it. Okay? If it is your channel. Okay? Yeah. So this is the just very this is the beginning and introduction to CapCut. Okay, just follow us in the next class. Will be more than this, and we are going to study so many things from here, inshallah. Okay. So we are going to continue. Yeah, as you know, the area as we told you. Yeah, this is the area actually. This is just with import from here, from media. We import the video, drag it here. This is a timeline, the area where we add more thing like text, video, audio, photos here in this workspace. And this is here the timeline. We add all the media that we need to add. Okay. As we drag this text from here and put it here, and you can write anything here. So you will double click here from this place, it will appear here, and this it will be empty. And also in text, we have another thing to do, like this bubble. That means it will be like background for the text, like this. If you add it, it will appear like this. If you want to add more, so many things are there to add and to put according to the design that you want to design. So many things are there, like this or like this. Put it like this, double click, yeah, like a background, yeah, it appear like this. Okay. And other things also, text effect, if you want to the text effect like this from this area here, it will just download it or loading the effect the same like this here. Here this is text effect and this text effect. You can add it from here or from there, no problem. Okay. So this is regarding the text. This is also audio here. You have audio. You can add audio if you just want to record, or you have the ready one, ready video from media, or record that audio from this place, text from here, this sticker. If you just press it like this, it will download all the sticker that maybe you need it. So like this, subscriber, you can drag it from here and put it here, and so many things are there also you can to do. Also follow, you can just add follow, or if you want any sticker that you want to here, this bro, you have to pay for this is a free one. Okay. Okay, you can just double click like this and put this here, this one. Yeah, and this is a place you can also just to double click to play it as you want. Double click, it will let you just resize it. If you want to resize, put it here. You want to copy more from this, or you want to delete directly, deleting it. Or if you want to put this here, this area, according, this is the space area to design and to edit your video. Okay, this is sticker. What type of sticker you will select according to your needs for that one. Thank you for whatever that you want to add, and these things according to the design that you want to put. All this sticker. Okay, this regarding the sticker from this menu here, and this also effect, as you can see here, it will drop down here. From here, you will do double click, it will be here. Drag it here. Okay. This is a different thing. This like effect, like flashing, it will appear like this. See, when we put it here, this between, when we play, it will appear in, see how it appear here, like this one. This is the effect. Yeah. And whatever effect that, you will just select the one from here and just double click here. Transition. Transition, this between videos or whatever, it will give you just like suppose we have add anyone, as we said, this bro, that means you have to pay for that one. Just search for the free one, and if you want to pay also, you can select that whatever. This, they don't have this sign, it means it's free. So double click for this one. So how you will see it. That transition from here actually always between videos or between photos. This is my picture when we have been in Wuhan, China at that time. Yeah, yeah, that is the train. The speed of this train 300 kilometer per hour. Yeah, 300 kilometer per hour. Yes, China. So this is this is my workspace here, and this is my timeline. And if I have picture also, I can add the caption. Also, you can just add caption from here. The caption, that means each and every word you speak, it will appear here in any language that you can just add. So many things are there to add. And also the last thing to import here, it is a picture. You can import picture if you're having. We'll see if you are storing any picture from outside media. You will see your desktop if you're having uh, here import desktop. If I have picture, okay. What is from China also? Okay, this picture is also called in China. I can drag it here. Also, I can drag it here like this. How will appear this picture like this? When I play, see, like this, it will be like overlay. Yeah, now it will appear. Observe here in this timeline. It will appear here in this area. Yeah, this here. You can adjust it according to what you want to add here. If I want to make animation for the picture, you can just here press this animation for the picture. Also in the animation, in this area, they have the paid one and they have the free one. And also this trending one, the basic one. Okay. And this light. Yeah, see which one you want to select. Let's also, this it will count for you, count down. And this one, it will be like this. This is the paid one. It will be the animation which shape you select, and also so many in each and every one. It will be like this. All this, it will make your video very strong. See, if you want the free one, you'll select the free. If you want to paid one, you will pay for that, and you will play free whatever that you want to add. So also you have here mask. We'll select one of this mask. We'll see. Sometimes you'll create video from just picture, and you'll use the maximum out of this animation picture. Okay, like this. This is the picture. See the picture how it will appear like this. And if I want to make it larger, and then add for it, see the animation how it will be. Yeah. And if you want also add another one, just do like this. Search for the free one. The free one, that means they don't have this and this blue hearts. It will not be there. This is free. So do like this and go and play here. You will see your picture how it will appear. See, this is the effect, and so many effects are there, and so many options are there. So till here it will be a little bit enough, because we have a lot to do more in our video editing in CapCut. Okay. Yeah. So this is the timeline and very important this one, this area. Here the video you will add, import it from there, put it, drag it to here. If you have text, double click here. This is the text. If you want the text in the whole video, you will drag it till the end. If you don't, to just some limit time, you will drag it till that time. If you have overlay, picture, if you have map, whatever you will add. If you have also audio, you will also drag it, double click here, import text from where that you want to add it. Okay, you will add, so you will video will be perfect working, and you will add whatever that you want to add, because according to the editing that you need. And also for caption, the caption will appear here in this area. The last thing, so you will save it and you will just export directly from here, and you will put it in the area that you need or you want to export the video. Here, this is your video, and then you will give the name here like that. You will check directly, you will export it from here. Thank you very much. Once again, don't forget to subscribe in our distinguished teaching technology, and see you in the next video, inshallah. Okay.